Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today we're making homemade roast beef and one of my favorite sandwiches of all time, French onion dip. First thing we're going to do is carefully remove the fat cap. I know fat's flavor, but there's a layer of silver skin underneath this fat cap. It's not going to render out and it'll ruin the end product. So take your time, use a sharp knife, and remove as much as you can. We're going to be using a popular steak sauce for a binder, and we'll use Killer Hog steak rub. It's packed full of flavor. Don't forget to do all sides, including the ends. You can get this from How to Barbecue Right. I'll have a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It'll help support my channel. And to monitor the temps, we'll be using a ThermoPro TempSpike Plus. 600-foot range, Bluetooth right to your phone. It's a really good thermometer. Now we got it seasoned. Got the smoker up to temp. We're going to try to keep around 225, 230. We really want to go low and slow with this. And we're going to take this off when it hits about 115 degrees. I do not want to climb it up too much higher than that. So we'll let this go around 250 degrees for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And once it's 115 degrees internal, we'll pull it out and let it rest. It should rise up to about 125. And today's sponsor is WhiskeyMade. At WhiskeyMade, they're a passionate team of woodworkers who share a love for bourbon and a talent for transforming rustic materials into unique, cherished items. Since 2016, they've been on a journey to breathe new life into old materials, creating personal and intricate pieces that tell a story. They do this by reclaiming old whiskey barrels and transforming them into gifts, cutting boards, and decor for your home. They ensure every experience with WhiskeyMade is 5-star. Go to WhiskeyMade.com, use promo code CracksCountryCooking at checkout for 10% off your order. All right, let's get back to cooking. Once your onions look about like this, you want to boil 2 cups of low sodium beef broth. Pour that in. And that's all set. The ThermoPro app just went off, letting us know it hit 115 degrees internal. We're going to pull it out, tent it with aluminum foil, and let it rest. Look how nice that looks. It's nice and squishy, super tender. Let's slice this beef and see what we got. Oh yeah. I say that looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to take our toasted bun. We're going to use some hot crispy oil, Aioli. It's very, very good. Put some of that on there. Spread that around. Some of our thin cut pieces of roast beef. Throw that in there. Reheat it back up. Now we need some of our onions. Then we'll take some Swiss. I'm going to throw that under the broiler to melt the Swiss. Now we can put the top on. This thing looks impressive. Look at that. Let me cut this in half. Try some of it. Look at that. This is so good. It's a little messy, but it'll work. The caramelized onions with the Ajus is really good. Pairs well with that steak rub that has some Worcestershire powder in it. The Aioli has a slight kick of peppers in it. It's really good. You can get that at hotcrispyoil.com. You can use affiliate links to get the How to Barbecue Right stuff. Hey, if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got recipes, seasonings, affiliate links, all sorts of stuff on there. Alright, see ya. It's dinner time.